This video today is about combining like terms. The first thing we have to determine is, what is a like term? A like term is anything that has the same variable, and the variable has to have the same exponent. So let's take a look at ours. And where can I find like terms? Well, over here I see that I have a 2x. And what other term has an x in it? Well, this one right here. When I look at this term, I'm going to include the sign in front of the term. So when I put these together, I have 2x and a negative 3x. So when I combine those, we have two positives and we have three negatives. These cancel and these cancel. I'm left with a negative 1x minus 4 equals 16. And from here, I just have a two-step equation. So what do? I see that this negative 4 doesn't have an x, so I don't want it on that side. I'm going to add 4, and I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. I'm going to add 4. These will cancel out. What do I have left over on the left side? A negative 1x equals 20. And what do we know about my x value? In order to solve an equation, my x value must be positive. So I'm going to divide out by negative 1 and divide out by negative 1. X is equal to negative 20. And there is my final answer. Alright, so let's just do one more that we might have a special case for. And that would be 2 is equal to 4x minus 6x plus 18. Usually we want our x's on the left side, but since my x's are already on the right side, I'm going to keep them on the right side. So what are my like terms? 4x and a negative 6x. So when we combine them together, I have 4 positives and 6 negatives here. So cancel, 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 cancel. I have 2 negatives left over. So negative 2x plus 18, and on the other side I'm going to have a 2. Now, again, we just have a two-step equation. Subtract 18 and subtract 18. These cancel out because a positive 18 and a negative 18 really just leaves you 0. And so I have negative 2x. I could write plus 0 like that, but does it make a difference if I add 0? No, it still gives me the same thing. So the idea is we're trying to get rid of things, eliminate them. Over on the left side, I have negative 16. I'm going to divide by a negative 2 and divide by a negative 2. X is equal to positive 8. And that's how we distribute.